Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I will show you unboxing of this fruit battery kit. So I purchased it for 19 dirham from Noon, and it is coming in this package. And as you can see, it is a fruit battery. So let's open it. It's a So it's a full kit, and as you can see, it is Enviro battery, Jamie England. I don't know. It may unusual batteries with apple, tomato, soft drink, and more. You can do this thing, and it is 10 plus years for that. So those who are above 10 years, they can easily use this. Okay, and what we have this kit, it has a kind of two beakers, one watch, and then some wires and some more things. So let's see. So if you open this, we are getting one manual, and it has assembly instructions. So we have magnesium board, copper. Okay, generally they have to give zinc, but we got magnesium. Then we have copper, then like 4 magnesium rod, 4 copper rod, 4 wires, 2 plastic cup, 1 copper board. Then we have a special design of screw type bottle cap, 3 quantity, 1 lighthouse LED, 1 voice chip, 1 wide display shell time, protective cover, transparent sticker, and this instruction manual. Okay, so whatever instruction is given, it's given over here from second page, and you can see how to connect this and how to generate electricity from fruits and cold drinks and many more. So this is the kit. And let's see what we have. We have 2 plastic cups. This is a kind of paper cup that we got. However, if you see, copper board is written, and there is no copper board, but we got this a white paper cup. Okay, now let's see what other things we have. So this is watch tower, and it has to be like this. And it is soldered with these connections. Some sticker is given. This is a watch, LED watch. Okay, you can use a small cell and connect it and it will run. Okay, it is covered, it is coming in this kind of plastic holder, you can say. Then we have their small you can see this 4, it's magnesium rods which are very thin and it is very long, so you can insert it over here in cups easily like this. And they have this holes, so you can connect the wires over there, right? So you can insert this, you have to remove this thing and you can connect it, you can wind it up. So we have 4 that rods, magnesium rods. Now we have this 4 wires, and we have 4 copper rods, and this is a voice chip. Okay, I don't know what it will do, but let's see what will happen if. So let's see what will happen if I produce electricity and I will give power to this voice chip. Okay, so it's all the things that we have. Thank you. And if you want to see the experiment of all these things, you have to go to my new channel, which is Best. Yeah, so you can go to the channel Best.